Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making a nice shrimp scampi. It's going to be quick, easy, and delicious. So let's get cooking. All right, here we go. I'm going to start out a little bit of olive oil. Got a tablespoon. Get that hot. You can hear the shrimp sizzle. We're going to add our shrimp. Want to season these shrimp up with salt, pepper, going to go about a minute on each side. Get a little bit of a sear, get them pink. So we're just getting a little bit of color on these. Now we got our tablespoon of garlic. Let's move that around. And garlic doesn't take long to cook. Once you start to smell the garlic, then you're in good shape. We're going to add our quarter cup of white wine. Want to scrape off any little bits that were on the bottom of the pan because that's a lot of flavor. We're going to add our chicken stock. The juice of half a lemon. I like to go in my hand like that because then if there's any seeds, they get caught right in my hand and are not in the dish. Pinch of crushed red pepper. If you like spicy, you could go a little more. We're going to add the cherry tomatoes. You could use any tomato here. It's winter time where I am right now. I think these cherry tomatoes have a little more flavor this time of year. So at this point, we can see the shrimp are just about cooked. This is where I'll take them out now. I don't want the shrimp to get overcooked and rubbery. Now I got 2 tablespoons of butter. We roll those in flour. Throw them in. That's going to thicken our sauce up a little bit and give it a little velvety richness. And we want to swirl that in. I'm also going to add in a tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. Swirl that in there a little bit. It's not a thick sauce, but we want it to be just a little thicker than if it was just thin like liquid. You can see we've gotten a little bit of that thickness there. The tomatoes are starting to break down a little bit, and that's just where we want it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to add the shrimp back in. I'm going to add the spinach. So now at this point, as you're finishing your pasta, or if you're serving it over rice or whatever else, you can finish off the rice or the pasta. We're going to come back, we're going to turn it back on, we're going to wilt the spinach, and then it'll be ready to. Now I've chosen to serve mine over pasta today. So you're going to get a little bit of bonus content. See how I fix my pasta. I'm going to give you the way to cook perfect pasta. Use the timer. Read the box. See how long they want you to cook it. I cook it on the lower end, so it's al dente, but use the timer. Oh yeah, perfect, perfect. This pot is awesome. You just pop the top on, you can drain it. All right, let me show you how I season my pasta. I like Parmesan. Some olive oil. Cracked black pepper. Mix that all up. So now we're going to throw the fire back on this shrimp scampi here. Putting some pasta in the bowl. Wilting down our spinach, warming our shrimps back up. Oh yeah. That's beautiful. Spinach is wilted, shrimps are heated up. Now we can plate some of this up here with some shrimps. Some of that juice on there. A little more pepper, a little more cheese. A little dot of olive oil on top. And that's it. Delicious and easy shrimp scampi is ready to be served. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.